Hello friends, Vanakkam and welcome to Auckland Tamil Samayal. Today we're going to see the Kollu Kanji, a hot scram porridge. Let's see how to make it. First take 1 cup of hot scram and dry roast it in a non-stick kadai or in any kadai. Dry roast it, you no need to put any oil. You can see we have to roast it until it gets splattered and you will get nice aroma out of it. It should be done in a very low flame simmer. Look at it. It's done. And transfer into your bowl and let it cool down. It's hot, so let it cool down completely before you grind it in a blender. By the time you can boil some rice, it should be a parboiled rice. If you don't have parboiled rice, you can add the raw rice, but best is with the parboiled rice. And 1 cup of rice, and you can add as much as water you want. Like I add 3 cups of water with some sliced garlic, ginger, cumin seeds and the pepper, whole pepper. Now it's completely cooled down. I'm going to transfer into a blender and grind it. See, it's getting the rice water is coming up. Just slow it down and grind it well. So you can no need to grind it as a powder, just make it as a squares. Even if you could see 1 or 2, that's fine, because we are cooking in a pressure cooker, so it should cook completely. Now add that water into the pressure cooker and some salt. This hot scram porridge is very good for weight loss and also especially in the winter time good for common cold. It's a natural homemade remedy. You can have it. It got some ginger, garlic, cumin and whole peppercorns. So give it for 2-3 whistles. Once it's done, you can open and see the rice should be cooked nicely. You can check the rice is not cooked, you can let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. Now the rice is cooked. So for adults we can eat like this, but for the children they can't eat like this. Sometimes they may omit the rice and drink only water. So what I'm gonna do, mash it with a masher. This is the Indian way of mashing the rice and dal. See, it's not mashing properly because it's got lots of water. Now what I'm gonna do, filter that water, so I'll get only rice left. Now it's easy for me to mash it up nicely, so the rice can mix it with all the water. It's easy to drink. See, now it's nicely mashed up. Yeah, let it be like that. Now you can add the water so that the water and the rice can get well through. See, it's up to you. If you want lots of water, you can see when the children are sick, when you are sick, the doctor always advises drink lots of water, fluids. So it's a best way to drink lots of fluids. So it's all done. Now serve it from extra punch of pepper powder, cracked pepper, and with some coconut chutney. Thanks for watching.